Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to share with you how to make this delicious seared filet mignon steaks. I am starting with 4 filet mignons. They're about 1.5 inches thick. I'm using 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to sear them in, 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to season them really good with ground salt and pepper and some minced dry garlic. And then I am going to preheat my cast iron skillet to about 400 degrees till it's smoking hot. And I'm going to place these into that really hot cast iron skillet to get them a really nice sear. While my pan is preheating, I'm going to go ahead and make the compound butter. This is a 1/2 cup of softened butter, and I'm adding to that some fresh rosemary, fresh parsley, and fresh oregano, about a tablespoon of each, and getting those chopped up nice and small. And then I am going to put this in the fridge just for a couple minutes while I'm searing these steaks. So my cast iron skillet's 400 degrees. Get these filet mignon steaks on there and get them seared. You want them to be nice and brown before you flip them over. I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter to my pan, and I am going to use this butter as it's melted to baste my steaks as I'm searing them, and this just helps give them such a delicious flavor. So you see a nice sear on these steaks. And when you see that, you can flip them once and then just keep basting with your butter until it is nice and brown and seared on the other side. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes on each side if you have your skillet at about 400 degrees. And then once it's seared on the second side, you're going to flip them again. And then we are going to put them in a preheated 400 degree oven and cook them for a couple minutes. And it just depends on how well you like your steak done. So you'll bake between 3 and 8 minutes, depending on if you want it rare, medium rare, or well done. Then tent them and let them rest for a couple minutes. Place your compound herb butter on top, let them rest a little bit longer, and serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this recipe. As always, thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you next time.